course of her lifetime, she's had actually over 100 different vehicles. She's driven Mercedes, Porsche, VWs, of course. We all know her iconic pink Corvette. Her first car was actually a 1962 Austin Philly Roadster in signature pink as well. So Barbie has always been in the automobile world. You know, she's always been telling girls to really express themselves however they want, even through their vehicles, whether that's a motorhome or maybe it's an Overlander. Barbie has been in the vehicle world for all her career, which is why I'm really, really excited to be introducing this car right here at the LA Auto Show today. This is a car that brings that extra style, an extra vibe. This is the Barbie Extra Car. This is an amazing car that was designed by one of our very own Barbie designers, Judy Troy. You can see it right here. My team had the pleasure of taking this toy car and blowing it up to one-to-one scale. It was a feat of passion and love, but we really want to get all that extra vibe into this car. I'm going to walk through a few of the things in this car that makes this car so extra and over the top. Again, you don't have normal doors on a Barbie Extra Car. We've got these wings right here, really telling you you're going to go and fly off into the sunset in this beautiful ride. Of course, you've got the fuzzy headrest, signature Barbie right here. Really fun, really whimsical, going after that more is more aesthetic. In the front here, in the bonnet or under the hood, is actually a place for Barbie to put all of her shoes, her entire wardrobe. Barbie's got to be dressed to the nines wherever she's going. That's in the front right here. And you cannot miss these amazing Barbie Extra wheels. These are so cool, custom wheels. We've got 20s in the front, 22s in the back, just amazing looking, really, really aggressive and fun stance. My favorite part of the vehicle though has to be back here. Of course, Barbie's got all the furry friends in the world that she wants to take with her. This is actually a pet pool, so she can take her pets along with her wherever she goes. The whole thing, obviously covered in just amazing gray melt metallic fleck paint, just really shines and does go that Barbie extra mile. So again, this is the Barbie Extra Car. Super happy to share it with you today. The great news is you can get one of your own in doll scale, of course. Kids everywhere can go to Walmart for $30 and get their own Barbie Extra vehicle. So thanks a lot for being here for the unveiling, and we'll stick around for any questions on the car and Barbie Extra in general. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Bob. Yeah.